Hi, I'm Serinda Jones. Welcome to my new advanced jewelry art glass class. And we are going to be covering intensive different recipes for the part sheets that we'll cut up. I'll touch on the basics just ever so slightly, which will be mostly over in this area. We'll talk about lusters. I have some new tricks up my sleeve. We're going to be talking about how to bevel your glass and then polish fire it. So that's a super cool thing. We'll talk about the mechanics of it. And then I have a trick for you. We're going to be doing this little guy, which is a lentil bead. So for the people who would love to be a lamp worker, but you are not, like myself, and it gives it that lamp worked feel. So I can't wait to see you, and thank you so much. We'll see you soon.